Hi crochet friends, I'm Pauline Jogi from PN Crafts. Today's video I'll show you how to crochet this simple pattern. The pattern can be used to make blankets for babies, sweaters, scarf. To start this pattern, we'll start by making a slip knot. For this tutorial, I'll make 17 chains. 1, 2, then add 2 more chains. On the third chain from the hook, insert your hook, pull up the loop. So make a single crochet. On the next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop. To have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, then yarn over, insert your hook. Then you have 5 loops on the hook, pull through the 5 loops. In the next chain, make a slip stitch, the next chain, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. On the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. To have 5 loops on the hook, then pull through the 5 loops. Then the next chain, make a slip stitch, next chain, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, then yarn over on the same stitch, on the same chain. Ensure that you have the 5 loops. At the end of the row, you'll make a slip stitch, then make a single crochet. So you'll see the popcorns. So chain 1, start the second row. Now this second row, you'll start on these chains or stitches. You insert your hook, make a single crochet, then next see, make a single crochet. So next slip stitch. So next we are going to make a single crochet, slip stitch, next single crochet, next. So you're going to alternate between the slip stitch and the single crochet. make a single crochet, then the very last one, make a single crochet, then you join the next color, so you're joining the green yarn, then chain one, then turn. On this first stitch, make a single crochet, the next stitch, second stitch, we make a single crochet. Remember, previous row we made just one single crochet, so the next row we are making 2 single crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through one loop, so you have 5 loops on the hook. Next, slip stitch, so at the end, yarn over, just repeat the same sequence, pull through one loop, yarn over the same stitch, insert your hook, pull through the 5, loops, then end with a slip stitch, then make 2 single crochet. Then chain one, turn your work, so you'll make single crochet, 2 single crochet, then we'll come on the popcorn. So the popcorn, you're going to make a single crochet, then make a slip stitch, then next make a single crochet, slip stitch, so at the end you're going to make 2 double crochet, so here you're going to lift the pink yarn, then you cross, then I'm going to add the third yarn so that we have something like this. So that yarn is white one, chain one, turn your work, then on this row we are going to make a single crochet, then the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop on the first hook, on the first loop, then the next one, make sure that you have 5 loops, then pull through the 5 loops. Then on the next stitch, make a slip stitch, yarn over, pull through, then the next one, pull through, 5, so your work should look like this. So you see this, the white one is aligned to the pink one, because this one we made 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet before we started the popcorn, then 1 single crochet, then we started forming the popcorns. So we make single crochet, so chain 1, turn your work. Remember, 1 single crochet, on top of the popcorn, make a slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, we make a single crochet, then the very last one, take these 2 loops, then we're going to start with the pink one. So you'll pick the pink, chain 1, turn your work. So the previous row we made 1 single crochet, so in this row we are going to make 2 single crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the 5 loops, then yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, you're making single crochet, then the next single crochet, then chain 1, turn your work, two single crochet, then remember you're making single crochet, then slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, make a single crochet, so the next row you'll use the green yarn, make one chain, turn your work, we are making one single crochet, then yarn over, then on the same stitch, just repeating the same sequence, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over,